Last week, I met my friend Sarah at a coffee shop. She is learning English, just like many of you. She told me that she can understand English, but she finds it hard to speak with confidence. She said, "I only know simple words, but I want to sound better." I told her, "You don't need to learn difficult grammar to speak well. You just need to learn better ways to say the same thing." Then I gave her some daily sentences. One in basics English and one in advanced English. Today I will share them with you. I am happy. I am delighted. I am very tired. I am exhausted. I am busy. I am tied up. I am hungry. I am starving. I am very scared. I am terrified. I am very angry. I am furious. I am sure. I am certain. I am not sure. I am doubtful. I am very cold. I am freezing. I am very hot. I am boiling. I am interested. I am fascinated. I am bored. I am uninterested. I am surprised. I am astonished. I am happy to help. I am glad to be of assistance. I am very small. I am tiny. I am very big. I am enormous. I am good at this. I am skilled at this. I am not good at this. I am inexperienced in this. I am ready. I am prepared. I am worried. I am concerned. I am very clean. I am spotless. I am very dirty. I am filthy. I am very fast. I am swift. I am very slow. I am sluggish. I am very happy for you. I am thrilled for you. I am very sad. I am heartbroken. I am very smart. I am brilliant. I am very stupid. I am foolish. I am very rich. I am wealthy. I am very poor. I am penniless. I am very lucky. I am fortunate. I am very unlucky. I am unfortunate. I am very nice. I am kind-hearted. I am very mean. I am cruel. I am very noisy. I am deafening. I am very quiet. I am silent. I am very early. I am ahead of time. I am very late. I am behind schedule. I am very famous. I am well known. I am very strong. I am powerful. I am very weak. I am feeble. I am very important. I am significant. I am very unimportant. I am insignificant. I am very neat. I am well organized. I am very messy. I am disorganized. I am very calm. I am composed.